Okay, my next magical birthday wish is going to be something super special. Oh, who am I kidding? They've all been super special. But what shall the wish be this time?
Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear!
Harold!
Oh dear! Oh...
What happened?
Do you want the long version or the short version?
Short version.
I broke down.
What's the long version?
I broke down.
Oh. Well, I'm so sorry, Harold.
Problem is, I need to get this delivery to the mainland as soon as possible, and the bridge is out.
What a run of bad luck. But I think I can help. I wish to be a helicopter. To the mainland, you say? I'll get it there in no time.
Just be careful, it's very heavy.
Whoa! I love being a helicopter! This is heavy. There it is! Almost there. Huh? Hang on now. I can do this! There we go!
I hope Thomas is okay. Thomas, that was amazing! You did it!
Not only that, but I've brought the engineer to fix you.
Oh, Thomas, you are the best. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Huzzah!
Birthday, happy birthday.